Mitchell, Hutchins Co. was a leading equity research boutique in the U.S. until its acquisition by Paine Webber in 1977. In 1959, Donald Marron founded D.B. Marron Company. In 1965, Marron sold his company to Mitchell Hutchins and in 1967 was named president of the company. Under Marron, the firm's prominence grew significantly and in 1977, Mitchell Hutchins was acquired by Paine Webber. Marron would later serve as a CEO of Paine Webber from 1980 until the company's sale to UBS in 2000. Paine Webber continued to use the Mitchell Hutchins brand over the next 23 years until the company was acquired by UBS in 2000. In 2001, the Mitchell Hutchins name was discontinued as the subsidiary was merged with UBS's Brinson Partners division. The firm was founded in Chicago, Illinois by William H. Mitchell and James C. Hutchins, Jr. The company's founders were the sons of two prominent Chicago banking families involved with the Illinois Bank and Trust, whose respective fathers helped finance the startup of the firm in 1919. References